topic about one was in the Jan Wagwan Wang and Mabala Niam Dun yierNuëri Gämbale, tell us citizen, Kayetopia of Western region of Gämbale. Guanu Matanya Banajalingagoa, Palna Rodan Penagua, Kashar the Rade Goa, Kangaja Bogan Shibaronu, Shiaja understand already, a Malarode, Quella World War, but two condial Yugur, Bokula Bomb, Bokula Goa, Binakula Rade. Men guru wabalaria men bianga jagua neither like shalka bertoto maguyin ga kaja region mo atokon tin ka kelto whether rain wunwara rain bar a changle yellow nung ni un like shalka Dr. Abi be berwit ka Gämbale ngode cha kon be pelga nagabar ci bar kon be me pelga nak ba yu guru wo kon dial chana yi kon campaign ka chana kwar kon chana ka belu ko wori ga taka region dong Gämbale ariag me penye lel mo gur pello e penyagwa gore charan kon dial kon nuer of Ethiopia to taka region western region Ethiopia ruine bar telamaloro ruine nuer telamaloro ba nyoko maluo je e chang baniam point the prime minister Dr. Abi be kon barwai ka Gämbale ka western region of Gämbale ngode na ka kon gabar ko wo bar pankien a plan me chaja la ledaken nika document of 1991 36 years ago me chu kon dial yen kon nuer dial te taka pin mo taka pin male taka maker to nika taka yakada me chu rol ta dak 1991 chi yi bar chi go wo yo chi kana ngaji chi nueri chi ga yen me chana yen me chana loy ka so Sudan ka 1991 mo gena le chom na pai ba da ka pai ba wan of 1991 chi bar la bangai ka nueri to lunjo ajen tugriga karode ne dananu be bara ku goro pujiga nuer titiyo kwana lelian ngot kwana ga nyot mala nyot kana non kan ga kur ga changder loy kan ye amicha la ledeken chi ma pai tu pan ka pai tu pan ga yan an wo cha nuer na ga ne 1991 na wa jok me ngon no kon wi an dorana ne chalke rol buini mandan tene SPL tin ka ro ata kana boy guanu wo bia tenga ka jagwa kon no kon chu kwar kon belu kwar den to wi kwa amilto kana galwa shwana ka bel amanu kwar do na bila bana one day going kon ke ngode rega meme to ka Gämbale me miki mekan kon to ga la kon tella ram bi jotuk ka to ga ma tuge e wo bu kon yik ka action bari ta plan kana wona na nueri bana ka disturb dong bi ga yen ni tar ka mala kana wen nang na ka maker ga gwango na ka matar ga gwang na ka nyogol na ka pul dang na ka amita plan wo nuere mo kon ko mo kon hia man ken wona ka tong mi ha ngwane te tare ti ka Gämbale bi ga yen bi ga hia man ken wa gang chigan bi la lunjo akene jan we yana bana nuere joy ka je lamna we nang na ka nyogol lamna we nang no pul dang lamna we nang na ka tier gol kia ka maker ga gwang kia ka nyene nyang kia ka joko be nuere te ti te ka Gämbale te ka ne yitang bi ko kula pot be ka nang ha ji hia man ken na ga ke ane wore ching ba ko hia man ko wa gang e be chwa jan yierNuëri a jan plan an ta la widian a ken na mo mu ku yene ya Gämbale sia yidriak ariang magore careful ko kon di alpanya la wo telle me do dien gola ajene la na la ya changa da wo dor la chalga Gämbale ma me ko la da be real ka go me ko la da be real ka go barwa je woro mane bo woro mane jarwa me wo wanya na puja la wo bugun me la chalka Dr. Abi basel possibility option me da riya kan ta Gämbale da sol ga je kama la region take a problem ka cha jang ha janai do kon na kana da lapok atuk duel madong ti ka 12 kel ka Ethiopia me la chwal ka bon chela ordinary citizen shot kan wore ti la chwal ka anwa ajan tuwa mo kuna disturb kun wore disturb from 1991 amano shot kan wale kon me kan kon action da kana gwa la kon ku un me la chwal ga Dr. Abi mabanyo ko me la ja one day yo ba gudun ba je yiyandia kachi barker bar chicken gul care roi ga je bonya Gämbale ki cha wa ja bon chicken na gor panya wo bi ke gun nuere nen ka Gämbale ka yatam ka ya ka de ka bol enne place melar gwa melar takans ka tagan wa tari jena mo cha gun nuere gor tinaken and what yierNuëri suka occupation suka military occupation je kana kan ga Gämbale cha kan dor military yitang cha kan dor military kurgang no all the way down wana na ka bure wana na ka gora alawo wana na ka bobe na mon chu would ber nen ga yagar lok would ber lel nyama nen ga yena go yena mo ajen go yena mo manu police me ta gor la action kana aba police me chere ka je be dwan mai e wo bana ngwang ka ken kana kula ngaji yierNuëri e cha ngwang wayan ga naka nyugol chu yierNuëri ngwang wayan ga naka maker ga gwang bya ka waje kana wayan ga naka nyina nyang bya ka waje kana gulyan wa kurgang bya ka je kana wayan nika bya ka je kana so an wo biliya yik ka Gämbale e wo gadi michit ka dung 2010 dai cha kam ka gun military ka malasa zanawe ajan gor baramo gun military ka Dr. Abiy ta pan cham tu yan da Gämbale ta pan tela mala la yierNuëri guanu wo bya teliya ga yan wale ko Dr. Abiy cha ngwang cha chui gwe ne je puji wona ne ara kwa na kan je Gämbale mino wona me ka yan bi ta solto ne ka yan bi solto yierNuëri Gämbale te la citizen yan Gämbale ka yan bi ta solto Dr. Abiy gore je puji wo ngadalelun ram mandana ba joy dor ba wo ka ngele kami ka yierNuëri bi aloy ka lare bi aloy ka joko dun mu wayo jo jabar kami ka kan bara puji ba pele kan mana aboba wun military ka Dr. Abiy he's getting sick tired of tribe dangala ko rodian ka kan nyom da Gämbale to yierNuëri ka tribe na na nyona long and pung na sa dangai Kume federal ke lewo ka bar changa ye tribe military ka bar a chang na mele pa wu jang na rodian la matin changa je wo ka bar tu kan nak ne military ka no tribe ne nei from 1991 36 years ago we say ga yang cha a je tu dien ga nak ne chana ban chor chana lu ndok a kan dong ba na wa pe ga wini me shi kana kula ngaji Gämbale a hien dan yitang a hien dan na mo ta ma pa je na gor wo bia ta ga ngai ge a plan B ka ka wo ne mu wo kon wo na ka nyugol wo kon wo na dor military ka ma kot wo kon ga na pool dang ba of course ya ka de in all kind of shit wo na ga matar wo na ne ga akane be no report a plan ba ke ko ta ka tu men plan ti cha la la kan ti ba Nuëri disturb ko ke if chi ka nyan ga to ba ko kien chak kam kan ga nyan they will try their best and wo kan bara kula ngaji wo nag yana re torbiele Ethiopia ka share Ethiopia yana ita to kan yana kula ngaji wo ajariya ga nana loke wun military ga Dr. Abiy a wo nag yan ordinary citizen ka bas na Ethiopia ka take a reason don't you yana a plan go an gor yana mo but ci ko nan hay ko Nuëri amen gor bare wo sha yo gor ka western region of Gämbale man kan kula ngaji na mo ci jan da option ba gor me to dia kan an wo bu kon Gämbale pel an wo bana region Gämbale nan bana ja pel ya bana palbar me bende ye ci ko to ra na bare mu wo bana la to en wi jai do de beben ko nga yene ye wo Jesus ja ka ko na wana me to gwa che ne tel gwa te e wo mi lu yo good class that's it tel Jesus ja re na wana ram la re ni che gan Jesus ka che jun ko gra ma kai ko ma ya la ran ko do gwa wona ne mi chira nen singa nen fon belang ba ko lo ben wo ben ni ga ka ko len dal dia ya boy dia riat pin chang kan pa ya boy dia riat pin ko ko ma te ku ji mi da boy dia jo le dan tong ka chu ko de la ben cha wa na ma ba ma ko konมันนอกคนจะก็ได้เลยเป็นชาววิมานเดี๋ยวก่อนชุดตะกุดเด้ก็โหก็เป็นนอกคนอะไรทุกอย่างพวกคนเลยชาววิมานคนวิมานยังในเชิงยูมันเบี่ยงสิเกี่ยนะมั้งไม่เชิงเอาคนต่อพูดจะเชิงอ่านต้องมีว่าแต่ชุกคนเนี่ยหน่อยจ่าที่ไหนละทุกแกวัยรุ่นเนี่ยอยากกอดกับไบเบิลไม่จ่าที่ไหนละทุกอามุดบ้านเราไม่ยอมเลี้ยงกุดมันก็จะก่อลกบัดขั้นกุดก่อนกุดลกวิมานอะไรในบ้านเป็นยึดสิใครจะทุกคนเนี่ยไม่รู้ไม่จะร้านเนี่ยทุกคนเนี่ยไม่รู้ว่าเป็นยี่ชุกตัวร้านนั้นตัวกันบ้านง่ายอยู่จะไปถั่วก็กำเบลไม่มาที่จ้างวันเลยไม่ฟอลล์นัวเขาเวสต์รีเจนอฟเอธิโอเปียแอคชั่นมันดุงดุน non kono amil to la kwar non kono wumota la kwar non kono ngele la kwar non kono I thought la kwar it doesn't matter as long as no region dung Gämbale ango no region dung Gämbale shiriak dan chabungok kabar kabar bunguk dawo bana ko moy kelatan ma paynel kami hiyanjeno ko wo bana kuma moy ke pursa chana ropono to go chana ko gar ka federal government and worry agana ma bako jotolo di bena ya tolo la kona wo bako law can into our end ki ngo belelo ko wo chu kondi ala ngai kon Ethiopian people wo ne na na ka region ka bar till a follow twice ka Ethiopia ka one of the 85 ka nor ka one of the 85 ka Ethiopia bana report ma bana jogoro gwa abi ngaje gwa wona ne riek chirga ma cha ngajo ko wo ba wo ga na ai milto to ga problem chi kariak tol galwa bom ngade ba wo ne ke chi galwa ron jale ba kon kwa wo ne ke chi ga tol no not like that it start man to ko kana lagan not like that very chicken care kakala president kakala vice president kakala deputy ngo kakala kan poti chine dial ta ga Ethiopia west region of Gämbale poti chine dial to shankap kan ga Kambera one ka the last one kongot kon ka jan da region ko nore chikan na dan bapal she would better chanak dan ya bapal therefore the action is ours Kume federal government ma cha riya ka longo chungwang ni yen ko wo je nanga action ne we citizen ne ka we ka nak bang shara bolot ba chet ka nage cha nake amala ta zanawi kadi ngwa ni jana nak mala ta zanawi mo ajande ngwa ni jana tam kami che jana mi chi abi jabela da la tok well the action is yours chana Gämbale claim e donora me painelel ayen bar ma gor ko na lab kan kan nyamurinya dek wanna kan nyamurinya dek actually dundun ko wo man kan ko na angu ta ga no ko damo man kan ko na angu ta ga no ko damo la ka wa gor ga nyon no ya ga no ko damo ka ta ngai ga kan bar therefore the action you can bo wona ne well to kwa jan kwana le lango that's the point right there akon tu kwar ko no to wi ko ma kon ci gabel amil to ma de nang no point attack fan galwaron jalma na no point ne to ke innocent they tried their best to bring the peace to the region but chibara ba manok chibara ba maleng amane chankel men bu wud bara jaleng adomai men bu wud bara jaleng ayat ka ket ayet ka mut ayet ka takin and wo bi ka log year changa ba berti chop ka jan to kula log year ba ka kula wa nan ka ya kane ba ka wa nan ga yetang ba ka wa nan para wo ka bakari ba ka wa nan da di mi ka jeni wa ngwa ka lelen ku jama jo here is that's it all about ko kan baranta makana morle ne da de ngunta ro no ko a hatred amanta ka wud bara a hatred logo no won wara pan aworo nori cha dor ko ma kan ne ka wonde to ka ko ba all kind of shit like that it de ganela bang wara ka Ethiopia cha le lun gur ka Ethiopia doran kondial jog yanam shol jo wida we cha jong no wo kele we cha jong no wo moda we ka cha jong no wo to da we jog ka ne shol jo wi ay tale ha ay tale ka le wun mala chal ke ngade Isaiah wala chale de ko kan king ne dia te chiru medan bisaim hele salasia te ke mila chal ka Isaiah wala Yohanes joga ne Yohanes kan ngu ke Isaiah ke chu hele salasia kula ban ka kan de joga wi ka amen ka kan de jog mak chul amen chul jo wi da we ka Gämbale mukul te pam chul jo wi dina no wo doran chu kon ke lien nothing we are the Ethiopian Mleno to kon get dual citizen ga Ethiopia, ka we have a dual citizen ka South Sudan, including themselves can bear. Take a dual citizen ka South Sudan, ka take a dual citizen ga Ethiopia. Therefore, ang mo bigara la rochi na inorugur. Where na wala ka la rochi na inorugur. Who are you to say that wo chi inorugur ga Ethiopia? Who are you? Huh? You are just an ordinary tribe like us. Who are you, Anua? To say that you are not you don't want Nuer tribe in the western region of Ethiopia. Gämbale, who are you to say this? Huh? Not even Malesa Zanawi, not even Abi, not even all leaders, back in the day, could not say that they do not want Nuer tribe in the western region of Ethiopia, Gämbale. No one can say that because they know they are the ordinary tribe. They are the ordinary citizen in Ethiopia, in that region called Gämbale. Therefore, no one could say that. Ni abonya lwala tete chwet chiri karal kwet kana ral kile katongo dit. Mi chiri ge biyemo. Chede melar. Hicha nuergo. Go, this is their home. Huh? Gämbale is our home. Hiteng is our home. Lara is our home. Puldang, Nyugol, our home. Nyenyang, our home. Matar, our home. Tirgul, our home. Yakade, our home. Abol, our home. Amanya Malachalga, Abobo, and our home. Mukuyan Michiri and Yarport Makuak and Minga Tomilium, Biakul and YierNuëri, they are getting sick tired. And the federal government will not act very soon. Therefore, the action is yours. The ordinary citizen, Ethiopia, Nuer of Gämbale, the action is yours. Let us go, whatever Anywa want, where to go. Let's go for it. Let's go for it. Let the Oroma lead the region of Gämbale. Let's go for it. Let's kill each other, if that's what they want. If that's what you guys want, okay, we can go for it. If we cannot live as the ordinary citizen in the western region of Ethiopia, Gämbale, as the ordinary citizen, as the 5 tribes, Anywa, Nuer, Ujanga, Duagni, Kaber, Kamin, Katila, Chalumuni, Kuikian, and the Alba Kajaka, Nuer, Kana, Bar, Ujanga. But Dwagwa Martin, Dwaka, yet you're that Dwaka, Kia, never Chai, Gana, Martin, the rest of the 2 tribes, I don't know, Quaker, Quaker. Ngajini Nuer kana barka Ujanga. Me jan Guria na Machia Marana Anywa. We will go for it. Nuer get sick tired of killing for nothing. Inside the business vehicle, inside the business buses of Ethiopia. People are get sick tired. You're killing us for nothing. Just because of the hatred. You do not want us. We occupy Gämbale. We occupy Yeteng. Okay, where do you think we can occupy? If not Yeteng and Gämbale. Where do you think we can live? Where? Aboba? If you want us to go to Aboba and then you can come to, okay, say it. We will be there. Well, whether you like it or not too, when this comes to the point of no control, you will leave Aboba too. When it comes to the point there is no control, the federal government will find us like a piece of shit in the region. Why you don't want a normal life like the ordinary people? Why you don't want the ordinary life like the human being? Why, Anywa? What's wrong with you people? Move it from your head, your mind, your heart that Nuer will leave the Gämbale one day. Absolutely not. We will never leave. We've been there 200 to 300 years ago. We're talking about 3rd century. And then you expect us to leave this time? I don't think so, my friend. Unless we come to the point that we are the ordinary citizen, let's lead Gämbale as we are the ordinary citizen and live with peace. That's all we want. That's all we Nuer want. But you guys doesn't want it. Well, we will go for it. Nuer are getting sick tired right now. The way I have seen some of the video being put into social media yesterday and today and the day before yesterday, yes, people are getting sick tired. And that's the reason why I said, let us not blame our leader in the region of Gämbale now. Because our leader, they could not do anything. They tried their best to help the situation. But Anywa doesn't give a shit whether it's the Anywa lead, whether it's the Ethiopian guy lead. As long as Nuer are there in Ethiopia, Anywa will never sit down silently, but they will disturb, killing, murdering, 1, 2, 3, 4, 10. And right now, to the business bus, in the Ethiopian street, in the Ethiopian highway, attacking Nuer. What's wrong with these people? Well, we don't have choice, but we will defend ourselves, and that's what you can do. Me again go better ma wona ne regional lo waja woroma ni okay be woroma ni je lo waja kwala ri ya tokia mare a lo waja woroma ni ngana le lan ko ba le di tede chiri ga riet kam do do chawon ko ko cha nyane ka chawon ko ra cha ne ngai bi gu ni jinu no chu ko wa be ri ni kon ko ro dan na cha ram kel cha joy ni ka gele ki cha ram kel cha joy ni ka phep chol jowi Mekan kak mekaram kal kon join ni ka gila abi ka wasam na gain ni ka ne kun ni ka ne ka tol ka every damn thing tila kan ka cham jo year ka ngada ka abobo ki jo year ka ngele ki jo year ka kola Gämbale will not be normal if Anywa there with us if Nuer there with Anywa because Anywa doesn't want to live with Nuer but Nuer tribe they don't care they say Anywa, they are ordinary citizens like us. So let us live in peace. That's what in your mind. But our fellow citizen Anywa doesn't get it and doesn't want it. They brought the whole history from the 3-4 centuries ago that Nuer are the one threatening us, chase us away from Akova, from Nasser and all kind of shit like that. Well, we chase you. We will share you too, Gämbale. Here we can do. Again, we yell at Walga Mataman, go Gämbale, Jatakasa, Bamasharaga, like a yanning in your world by your fight. Take a basalam, take a shit bourbon, take in the bear like, take a Milachalga New Land, take a Milachalga Dupo, take a Milachalga Jamaica, take a Milachalga Los Angeles, take a Milachalga Yongor. The wheat birthday, we. When you go young or then we're Nuer jala ga jal yang wa bia jal ga jal hok kan ni teti ko Nuer they are sick tired sia de po ke wo de ran aret police me partner re cha re Ethiopia to lat ga no traffic ka ken go we mbo ga torbiel de re gar one of your partner colleague walat barrier ka mai ka de ye go jo ne this will survive you my master dan wala ka yen Nuer dial Milonu kwar kon to wi kwam to chwana ka belgare bor dite long ka bar changa kan to ke leadership aga kan ka poti ken dial to ka region Gämbale as long we are there bar will never sit normal they do not like it they will disturb us again wa kon na pull down but chwana ja per we de ta lar yana melakana wa na ka mataro melakana wa na ka nyina nyango Malakana we na kanyo gol kana pull down lot kana je wona ne bana ka wona to mi bi Nuer ko la baraka e na ka chia mane kien again a part of the plan no more bi akule yen gar to ka chia mane ko ana wore ching that what is on their plan kan kana wona ngaji there the people there they will take care of that bullshit and we will take care of this bullshit in itang and pull down pankun ignoring kwaja kapchong yan Nuer Gämbale me like ke ignoring of danger kwaja kapchong Kume Ethiopia seriya dan bangal sol kabar ko kon ber yak dan sol kabar tone Kume Ethiopia cha geba cha ngaja pujo wona ne like ke berto gor kan me chet ke dung 2010 e cha let ka amala sa zanawe na menta men here wona me like ke Dr. Abibi la ka ro ko kon Nuer be la to abana me chut ke dung mala da nawe abalen bigo lo nyoka so to dan gan bar abnuer lo do da la buin ka rodien da wo jamo mi jan gor kanamo ko wo we are sick tired chaka ngwan kon jirar chaka ngwan ko koindun chaka ngwan ka lepkun chaka ngwan ka everything ka chia jan na wo nei titi cha kon be lo ko bon yen kula fere ro cha kon be lo ko kon be ro dan lo to ne ka suburb no kondial ka city no kondial ka region Nuer zone gailo ko kon bro lo tone so chara galwar on bel chara amilto bel ko amilto ngaja je pujo chi mane they don't give a shit ngaja chi mane they don't give a shit they will do anything to disturb Nuer tribe whether they like it or not ko wo chi ka Nuer gor e biga luin ka Ethiopia again ne kwa na gala tong ne ka 1991 na mane me chet ke teme ko chi kana pa ka bunyori lu ndo ko ja na ja wan mo ka pai wadak pai bang wan pai wale yitang yit yang le yan chine de kula thu ko kon ta lu ja ken chine de thu nuer chi lu nga Gämbale nuer chi lu nga yetang wu nganya ka nganya ngode ran jale ka jal yang angu yu ana jina ngo da wan wu ken ye chang ngane dang di kula na ka bar ka kon wore che jan na ka gwan gat ka ma to de chal nyaw ga wi wol na ka kan bar na ka to hi ngul lu ga wi wol to ko ngai kana ga wi wol ba dwel ko ro bin do le benwer dial won che me benwer dial yuban an wo benwer biga Gämbale ko pai ga ne yitang like that so what loy berani then see the tell choy they can do anything they want to disturb us, to kill us, to murder us, unless we say enough is enough. If we are not saying enough is enough, well, we have a long way to go, my fellow Noir.